Hi, this is Ankita from TrackOlap. In this video, I will give you overview about the policy center provided by TrackOlap. First of all, log in with your TrackWeek account, and here you have to switch to the HR module, Human Resource module. In this module, you can manage the employees' leave, attendance policies, leave policies, employee documents and letters, and the organization policies also. So this in this tutorial I will explain you the organization policies managed in the HR module. So for that, go to the policies tab here. Yes, by clicking on the policy tab, you will see the dashboard analytics here. So very first step is to create a new folder to create a policy. For that, you have to scroll the screen down, and here you will get the option to create the new folder, and you have to mention the details like the folder title, descriptions, and if you want to set any restrictions related to the department's work locations and employment types, you can also do so. I have also created the many folders here, and after creating a new folder, just go to the details of the folder, and from the details you can create the new policy under this folder. You can create a new policy by clicking on this plus icon button. Under this policy, you can mention the title, and you can also do the following settings here, like if you want to allow your employees to download the policies, or if you want to send alerts on publish of the policy, like on first version or on each version, and or if you want to allow your employees to acknowledge those policies, or on the policies level also you can set the departments locations and employment type restrictions. And under the policy content, you can design your policies here, and after designing the policies and do the following settings, you can draft the policies or send the policies for the approval. I have already published my two policies here. You can see the status here, that is the actor. And after creating the policy will go for the approval of the admin, and under this section you will see the pending approvals of the policies. Like I have one policy that I need to be approved, and by clicking on this approve button, I can approve the policy, and if you want to reject the policy, you can reject the policy from the details. Now let's approve the policy here. A pop-up will come that will ask you to approve the policy. Now I have approved all the policies. Now there are no pending approvals are there. Now the next step is to publish the policy after approving the policies. Here you will see the pending publish request. Click on the publish button to publish the policy, or if you want to reject the request, you can also do so by clicking on the reject button. You can also view all published requests by clicking on this button. Here you will see pending publishes, rejected requests, published policies, and unpublished policies. Like under the published policies, I have these published policies. I can unpublish these also. Let's publish this policy. It is successfully published, and after publishing the policies, you will see these policies in the latest published policy sections. Here you can see all the published policies in your organizations. Let's click on any published policy. If you want to edit the details, you can edit from here. You can see the versions of the policies here, like how many versions have been published under these policies, and you can view the statistics also. Under the statistics, you can view that how many employees have acknowledged these policies and how many have not acknowledged these policies, and you can see the many statistics like the number of time the policies has opened, for policy first opened on and policy last opened on, acknowledged status, acknowledgement on, like when the acknowledgement has did by the employees. And under the restrictions tab, you can also set the restrictions later. Now let's go back to the screen. Dashboard tab, you can see the many statistics like the published policies count, pending approvals, pending publishing, rejected requests, acknowledged today, like how many policies are acknowledged today by the employees, and live statistics count, like which employee has viewed which policies and has acknowledged which policies. Here you can see the live stat of the employees. So this is the admin or manager part, like how admin or manager will manage the policies. Here now let's move to the employees section, like after publishing the policy, how employees will able to see the policies. For that, the employee have to move to the policy center module. Here employees will see all the published policies, like I have the three published policies here, and here you can see the pending acknowledgements. I have two policies need to be acknowledged. Yes, you can see here there are two folders are showing. This folders is created by the admin, and under this folder the one policy is published, and in the holiday policy folder two policies are published. So let's click on the any of the folder. Here the employee can view all the policies. Let's click on any of the policies here. This policy is already acknowledged by the employee. If employee want to download this policy, he can download it. This is the complete overview of the policy center provided by TrackOlap. I hope you like the video. So if you have any doubts, then contact to our support team members. The details is in the next slide or in the description box below. Thank you so much.